Oh, look at this thing. Wow. What's up, gang? Been out here in the garage working on my truck, just doing some tinker around and stuff. And anyway, it occurred to me I might need to tell you guys something. So if you do not have a diagnostic tool at your garage, it's time you get one. And I'm going to show you what I've been using. So I've got this THINKSCAN. It's a really nice one. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it's like. This thing does maintenance mode, all kinds of stuff. Look at that big nice screen it's got. It's very affordable too. Most of these aren't. But I've been using this one for about a month now and want to tell you guys about it. So I will show you the open box and go through all that process, but we're going to show you how it works and all the features of it. Let's get started. Alright, first off, it comes with a nice carrying case. It's got the quick start guide, a bunch of different languages on it, all the way down through it. Oh, look at this thing. Wow. Nice. Very nice. So you notice it's got different kind of prongs on it. These come off. I'm not going to use this one. We'll use this one. All right. And basically, this comes on here. You slide it down. All right. And it comes with USB to USB-C plug-in. And then obviously here's your reader. So we'll take this out. Just got a tan side to it, which will go to the car. And then this here. And once you do that, then basically I'm going to connect this with this here. Basically you just match up this end to that piece right there. I'm going to do so. It's a matter of just screwing it down. All right. And power it on. All right, and this is to charge it. I'm just gonna take this off. And this plug into here. That's for charging. All right, now this is, hit the start button. So really basically what we need to do next is plug this in to the truck. All right, so I'm in my truck. I'm going to take this, set this here, and we're going to plug this in. Just like so. Then auto search, just hit enter. So there it is, does a VIN scan. Alright, so here's the codes popping up. I just did the brake job on it, so I wonder if that's what threw the code on it. Once this is done scanning, it'll allow me to have some options. As you can see, it's got all these different codes. I'm going to hit the clear DTS to see what it does. As you can see, it cleared all those codes. Alright, system scan. All right, while this is going through, just to remind you guys of a couple things. One, this thing has free lifetime updates with no subscription fee. As you can see, it has this beautiful 7-inch screen. So what's interesting about it, like audio control module and that stuff, well, as you know, I don't have the factory radio on this thing, so I have to wonder if that's part of it. Up here on the right, tells you the voltage of the truck, percentage of battery, time. How much battery's on this device? A couple other things too. It has that 3150 mAh battery, 2 gigabytes RAM, 32 gigabytes ROM. That's 10.0 Android. Tells you everything about the system, which is really cool. All right, go back. Now let's let you kind of look at certain systems as well. So what I want to show you, I want to get out of here, but I want to go on this here. So there's all kinds of different options too. Lights, air, fuel. You can go to the battery. Brake pad reset, all this stuff. It's got tons of options in it. Let me go back to the front. So I like the auto search. So it's going to say I failed because it's not connected to anything. But here's all the different vehicle options it has. So it's just for the F-150. Cadillac's in here, which I have one. Chevrolet. Look at this. Tons of vehicles I've never even heard of. It works for. Anyway, I want you to take a good look at this device again. It's called the ThinkCar. Very nice. This is something you should not have in your garage. So this thing has it all. Every vehicle you can imagine. This is one of those devices really that's very handy in your garage. You know, I've had one of these for a while, and I have friends with car issues and stuff like that. I can hook this up in a matter of minutes, know what's wrong with their car in a lot of cases. Helps reset codes that are crazy. If you have one of those issues with the older car or whatever, and the light keeps popping on, this will take care of that problem. Anyway, I'll drop a link down below for this and all the information you need. And if anything else, drop a comment down below. I'll be gladly respond. I want to say thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, hit the like button. Y'all have an awesome day.